everyone, welcome to day 336 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the 3D bow stitch over a mesh. Okay, and yesterday's video we saw how to do it on a solid base. Today I'm going to show you how to do it over a mesh. Okay, I have a stitch that is a multiple of 3. I have 30 stitches on my hook, and you're going to add 5 more stitches, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 2. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches, that is into the 8th stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet. Now this counts as 2 chains at the bottom, 3 chains for the double crochet and 2 chains at the top. If you want the first row, you can do it as a solid base as well. Okay, you're going to chain 2, skip 2 and make 1 double crochet. So that's going to be the whole row. So I'm done with the first row. The second row, again you have to do the mesh stitch. So start with a chain 5, turn your work and make 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet you just made in the previous row. You just have to continue doing the chain 2 and a double crochet. So this row is also a row of mesh stitches. Okay, we are doing 2 rows because the bow needs a base of 2 rows. So once you have 2 rows of mesh stitches, now we are going to start the bow stitch. So count the number of spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 spaces. Okay, I'm going to skip 2 spaces on this side, 2 on this side, and into this space and this space I'm going to place my bow stitch. So again, start off with a mesh stitch, chain 5, turn your work, make a mesh. So like in the solid base, we'll have to skip 2 chains. In the mesh stitch, we need not do that. We can just directly crochet the bow into it. Okay, so this is the space we are going to place the bow, right? So start with your 21 chains. Sorry, start with your 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you want, you can change colors at the start of this row so that the bow is in a different color. I'm going to do it with the same color. 6. Make 1 single crochet into the second stitch and 1 single crochet in all the stitches till you reach the first chain that you made. Okay, again chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Skip the first stitch, make 1 single crochet into each of the chains. Now for the bow part, chain 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Make 1 single crochet into the second chain, 2 half double crochets, four double crochets, again 2 half double crochets, and 1 single crochet. Now we have to repeat from the single crochet part. Repeat the So repeat this whole set again. So again, make one more single crochet, two half double crochets, one double crochet, sorry, four double crochets, two half double crochets, and then one single crochet. Now slip stitch into the very first single crochet to make this into a loop. Okay, so once you have all of this in place, just yarn over and make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Okay, again chain 2, continue making the double crochet stitch till you reach this space right here. So you have to stop there and make one more bow. Okay, so I am here at the third space from the other side. Okay, I have 4 stitches in between. Now again I have to start with 6 chains. Make one single crochet into each of the next few stitches, each of those chains that we made. Again chain 5, make one single crochet into each of those stitches. So you have to chain 6. Chain 21, make one single crochet into the second chain, make 2 half double crochets into the next 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then make 4 double crochet stitches, 2, 3 and 4, 2 half double crochets, and one single crochet. Repeat the whole thing again. One single crochet into the next one, 2 half double crochets, one double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches, two half double crochets, and one single crochet. Slip stitch into the very first single crochet, close the bow, yarn over and make one double crochet. Okay, again chain 2, make one double crochet, chain 2 and make one double crochet on the third chain. Now for the next row you have to again start with chain 5, You're going to make the mesh stitch. Again chain 2. Make 1 double crochet. So you have to secure this part, right? So make 1 double crochet over here. Okay, creating the mesh stitch. And fold the bow in the way that you want. Okay, we want to secure the bow in the middle. Okay, so yarn over, make 1 double crochet under the bow like this. Okay, so you have to yarn over, go into this mesh space, pick up this part between the ribbons, and then place the bow in the right position that you want. That is, the single crochet dip should be on your hook, and bring up a loop over here, locking the bow in place. Okay. So that secures the bow in place. Again, chain 1. So this one counts as one chain, and yarn over, make your mesh stitch into the next double crochet stitch. So that's it about the pattern. You just have to repeat this rows over and over again. You have to repeat from row 1, 2, 3 and 4 till you reach the length that you want. You can either place the bow on top of each other, or you can adjust it in between. If you want to adjust it, count the number of chains, number of spaces from this side, and you have to place the next stitch over here between these two mesh. So that's the pattern. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can reach us out in the comment section below, or you can DM us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.